I found a weird and secret affiliate marketing trick that I've noticed quite a couple of people catching on to. And this is a very nailed down niche that is currently taking off. This niche is getting millions of views, so now is the time to use it. I'm going to teach you how these TikTokers are making $100 plus per day selling woodworkings. Yes, woodworkings, but not in the way that you think, and we'll dive into that in a bit. And the best thing is, you just need a phone or a laptop. Ideally, a laptop will be much easier for you, and a simple internet connection. And you are allowed to use existing content with this strategy that has already gone viral, or I'm going to show you how to find videos that will potentially go viral before it has. And you don't need to create any of your own content. So you do not need a camera, you don't need to record your own voice, you don't need to spend hours on end editing. This is also a fantastic side hustle because it really takes little time out of your day. Therefore, you don't need to spend a single dollar on this. Take a look at the simple product over here. And hopefully by now, in the first 60 seconds of this video, you're putting two and two together. This is a complete done-for-you sales page and product that sells over 16,000 woodworking plans that you can sell as an affiliate to make over $61 per sale. Now you want to know the best part. I clicked on this product and I had a look at this landing page and I studied it. If I scroll down this landing page, I noticed that this product is only selling for $67. So therefore, on every single sale that you make, you're making over 90% commission on this product. And at first, I thought this couldn't be right until I actually test bought this product and I got over $61 in my ClickBank account. So yes, the creator of this product has decided to commission you over 90% per sale. Now, out of all the corporate jobs that you can find in this world, there will not be one company that can offer you over 90% commissions on your sales. So this is a really fantastic opportunity that you're watching right here on YouTube. And I want you to watch this video until the end because I'm going to break this down step by step, how you can start selling this product with videos that are going to go viral, so that you can start racking in these sales. Without further ado, let's not waste any time and dive straight into today's video. What's going on, awesome people of YouTube? My name is Jay. I'm a full-time online entrepreneur and prop firm trader that documents my journey on my YouTube channel on various ways that I use to make money online. In today's video, I'm going to share something really interesting that I found on the internet with you guys here on my YouTube channel. Is how you can go and sell these woodworkings to people all over the world digitally from anywhere in the world without spending any money using one simple social media platform called TikTok. And the best part is you're not even limited to TikTok. You can use Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube Shorts to 4 times your reach to whatever audience decides to watch your videos. Now, I want to show you an example of some of these videos that are getting millions of views doing this. One simple video of where a person is drilling 2 planks together, and in this 30-second video, he puts together a little shelf, got over 1.8 million views. Another example over here, 390,000 views. Another example here of Woodworkings project on this page that built these simple horizontal shelves on walls, got over 1.5 million views. And there's tons of examples over here. Now, the best part about this is you don't need to go and create any of this yourself. I'm going to show you how you can go and reuse existing content on Pinterest.com that is also expanding really quickly. So you're welcome to go and do this on Pinterest as well by simply downloading these videos, reposting this onto TikTok, and monetizing that with your Woodworkings product. Step number 1 is you need to go and create a Woodworkings theme page on TikTok. Ideally, you can replicate this on Facebook, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels as well. So therefore, you can just repost your posts 4 times on 4 different platforms. So that's really simple. You can come over to a business name generator on Google, go and search up Woodworkings, and they will give you tons of different names that you can go and do. You can go and download a simple woodworking logo by searching up on Google, free woodworking logo, and there will be hundreds that you can download logos from. So setting up your page is really the easiest part. The next step is we need to go and set up this page in a way and post our content in a way that will actually go viral, that will pick up a lot of views and get people clicking on your Woodworkings product and interested in your Woodworkings product to ultimately get sales on this product. So let's start off from the beginning. Once you've created your TikTok page, if you've also created your Facebook page, your YouTube Shorts page, and your Instagram page, that's also fantastic. I want you to come over to Pinterest.com and create a completely free account. Now, as we all know, Pinterest is a place where people share pictures, ideas, quotes, very similar to that of maybe Instagram, but it's its own independent social media platform. If you go and search up on Pinterest woodworking projects, you can find hundreds of these different videos on this website. And what I recommend you do is go and choose a couple of videos, especially videos like this that stand out with 1.9K reactions, 7.4K, 3.7K, 1.6K, 256, and try and avoid the ones that have no reactions at all, such as this one here, this one here, this one here, simply because the Pinterest algorithm is not pushing those videos. You want to use videos on Pinterest that is already getting pushed to prove that these social media algorithms like these videos. People are engaging with these videos. So for example, let's go and use this video over here, DIY tool storage. You want to go and copy the link of this Pinterest video, come over to google.com or the Google browser and go and search Pinterest video downloader. You can go and click on the first link, the Pinterest video downloader, paste your Pinterest link over here and click on download. It will open it up in a tab like this. Click on the three dots and click on download, and this video will then download to your PC. The next step that you need to do is to come over to clickbank.com. Now, if you've been watching my channel for quite some time, you would know that this is a website that I speak about all the time. And this website is honestly a goldmine for aspiring or existing or advanced online entrepreneurs that want to make money online. There's been people that have made millions of dollars on this website. As you can see over here, over $6.2 billion paid amongst 100,000 plus active affiliates. Now, I'm going to teach you in today's video how you can get a small piece of this pie and be a part of these affiliates that are getting paid. You can go and click on start here on the top right hand side. Now, I know there has been some people that have had issues with signing up on ClickBank. ClickBank does not accept all countries in the world. If that in your case is so and you can't sign up on this website, you can come over to a fantastic alternative called digistore24.com, which often, I would say 90% of the time, has really the same products as clickbank.com. You can go and register now. I know Digistore24 allows all countries around the world, and you can go and find a Woodworkings product on digistore24.com. For today's video, I'm going to be using ClickBank because I want to show you the exact product that I want you to use for the strategy to be as most effective for you as possible. So I'm going to log in with my existing account, which I already have logged in over here. All you need to go and do is click on the marketplace and go and search woodworking. And if you go scroll down, it will be this product over here, Ted's Woodworking, the highest converting woodworking site on the internet, where you will earn over $61 per sale, which is over 90% commission. And if they purchase any upsells, which has an entire upsell flow, you will get more commissions on those sales that happen within this funnel. All right, so if I click on this link, it will take you to the landing page of this product. And as you can see, the landing page with the webinar video, or the sales video, the big add to cart button, instant access, all the testimonials, all the project examples, and some insight into what you're getting, tons of more testimonials here as well. And take a look at the value that you're getting. You're getting instant access to over 16,000 projects inside of this program, which is valued just under $300, lifetime membership access, lifetime free monthly plans, over $39 a month value that you're getting completely for free, a free custom plan request, over $250 in value that you're getting for free, premium woodworking videos, how to start a woodworking business. So they also teach you how to sell this product, and competitive woodworking guides. So all of this valued at over $749, you're getting for $67. But you're not going to go and purchase this product. The idea behind this product is you're going to promote it as an affiliate. So now that we understand this product, what you're getting, that it's of extreme highly value and that it's getting a lot of sales. So you'll see over here, the gravity is currently 132, and that is the highest amongst others over here that's only getting 12.7, 14, simply because of the quality of this product and the extreme value that they're giving. And not only that, is because a lot of people are promoting this product because they're paying over 90% commission. So the next step you need to go and do is click on the promote button over here. Click on create hop link. Okay, just enter your ClickBank username. Click on create hop link, and over here you'll be able to copy your encrypted hop link. So this is your unique link. You'll see if I paste this in a new tab, it will take you to this exact same landing page. But now with this unique link, it knows it's connected to your ClickBank account. So therefore, when somebody makes a purchase, it knows to send that money to your ClickBank account, where you can withdraw via PayPal, Stripe, or direct to bank. Okay, maybe what we could do is just to go and neaten this link up is come over to a website called bit.ly. I'm pretty sure you've heard of that before. It's just a simple URL shortener. You can go and sign up with your free account or sign in with your free account. I just used my Google account. You can click on create new link on the top left hand side, click on link, paste your ClickBank affiliate link. Under the custom back half, you can go and type here woodworking project plans. Click on create link on the bottom right hand side, and over here we have a much more neat affiliate link instead of that long ugly ClickBank link. So this looks a lot better when it's sitting in your public profile in your Instagram or TikTok bio. So it looks a lot more attractive for people to click on, which is ultimately what we want, is to attract those clicks and the traffic to our affiliate product. Now that we have our social media pages, our woodworking theme page, our done for you product, our done for you link, we are now ready to mass distribute the content of Pinterest onto our themed pages to now ultimately get views. Because these types of videos have already proven to go viral, we just want to now go and replicate that. Once you've downloaded your video of Pinterest, come over to a TikTok page, and I want you to start posting one video every single day. And all you need to go and do is either in the caption or the comments of these videos is type the following in your comments or caption: link in bio to over 16,000 custom woodworking plans, and start your own online woodworking business. And that's all you want to go and add to the caption or the comment section of your video, just so that people are aware when they click on your video, they immediately see it. They know that they can get access to this specific product that you're offering. Now, if I come over to TikTok and I click on one of these videos, take a look at some of the content. A lot of people are engaging and find these types of videos really interesting or fascinating, because most people scrolling on TikTok find these types of videos interesting. So over here, you might get questions such as, what are the measurements? And the ultimate thing is you want people to comment on your videos. You want to post these types of videos because, well, they're getting a lot of engagement. Now, not all of these videos are going to reach millions of views. There's some that are only getting 27K, 7,200, but one or two might blow up to maybe 4 million. Here's 1 million, 5 million. Couple at 1.2 million, but again, 29,000, 90,000, 40,000. So some videos are going to pop off, some videos are not going to. But the key to mastering TikTok and any platform, as a matter of fact, is to post consistently with a consistent schedule. The algorithms of social media, and I know this because I've been a YouTuber for close to 6 years now, favors content creators that post consistently. The biggest mistake that people make is they post maybe, let's say, for a month. They see they're hardly getting any views, and then they stop posting. And that's exactly why the social media algorithm is specifically made like that, to filter out people and to get people that are not consistent content creators to leave the platform. Because ultimately, a social media platform is a business. They want people that are going to post consistently to keep people on their platform, which is the kind of like a hidden trick that these social media platforms have. So now I've really given you their secret. So I want you to go and use this. And there's really no excuse, because you don't need to produce any of your own content. You just need to go and copy and paste videos of Pinterest. There's tons of different videos that you can use over here. You can also simply just go and search up woodworking, and there will be tons of different pins over here. You can click on the filter option. Just make sure you click on videos. And over here, there's tons of different videos that you can go and download. I can scroll down for ages, at least content for the next couple of years if you're posting daily. And again, I recommend filter through all of the videos that are getting really extreme engagement, so that it is already proven to go viral. Okay, if you guys are going to try out the strategy, I definitely would like to follow your progress. If you do start with this, send me a DM on Instagram, send me the link to your Woodworkings pages. I'm really keen to follow your progress and see how it goes. And this is something where I'm not going to guarantee for every single one of you that this is going to blow up into a full-blown business, but some of you might take off and really start getting some nice sales in. But this is a fantastic side hustle that really doesn't take a lot of time. It's really worth worth a try. There's no risk, and I really see this as something that can take off simply because, well, there's hundreds of people here in front of me that have proven to do this. So without further ado, guys, what I'm going to do is to help you more and scale you more in your affiliate marketing journey is I'm going to give you an entire free course on how you can create your own sales pages that look like this with all of your copywritten text, your marketing material for your sales pages, how to connect your buttons, how to have email campaigns, how to host webinars, how to host course memberships. And that entire playlist is going to be here somewhere on the screen. This is really thousands of dollars of years of information and education learned that I've tested through trial and error that I've put together for you guys here for free on YouTube. There's no upsell to some crazy $2,000 course. All of my content is here on YouTube completely for free. So what I recommend you do is click on this playlist over here, follow my YouTube channel with the red notification bell on so that you don't miss a single video that I post, and you will get updated every time I uploaded my latest way on how you can make money online. So make sure to click on this playlist over here, and I'll see you on the inside.